Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy cauliflower popcorn. It is super tasty and even so simple to make. So before getting on to making it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So for making, you need 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Into that, you need to add in 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped pudina leaves, 2 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt as per your taste. Just give it a mix, and here I've taken 250 grams of cauliflower which I have cleaned using turmeric powder and salt, and I boiled it using I boiled it in some water. Even I added salt into it. So adjust the salt accordingly into the flour mixture. And add this, and make sure there's no water in the cauliflower and the flour mixture. Also, you should not add any water. You just need to coat the cauliflower with the flour. So make sure you mix all the parsley, oregano, the pudina and the oregano and everything, and just mix it. Just coat it. Now, after coating, you need to take up each cauliflower, dust the excess flour in it, and you need to transfer it to a plate. So here I've done everything. Do not throw the flour away, the flour mixture. Here I've taken one small onion, put it into a mixer jar. 10 garlic cloves, this is small garlic cloves, and you need to make a fine paste of it. Add 2 tablespoons of water, and you need to make a fine paste of it. There should be no pieces of onion or garlic. So this is done. And now for making the maida and corn flour mixture, you need to add the leftover flour mixture, and into that here I'm adding 4 tablespoons of maida. So you may even add 3 tablespoons, as some got wasted for me, and 4 tablespoons of corn flour. So this also you may add only 3 tablespoons, and add salt as per your taste. So here I've added more salt, I did not show in the video. And add in half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of chili flakes, and just give it a mix. And you need to add some water and make it a liquid like consistency, but not too thick, not too loose. So I'll show you the consistency. So you should keep in your mind that we are going to add the liquid from the onion and the garlic. So accordingly add the water. So here we are going to strain the liquid of the onion and the garlic. We just need the water from it. You don't need the pulp from it. So just strain it completely. I have strained completely. So accordingly the water should be poured. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Here mix it up. So this is the consistency. Do not make it over thick and over loose. This is a perfect consistency. And I'm adding some more salt. And again I added some more salt as the salt was very less. So this is the consistency. And now here I have taken everything for coating and everything. So here I've taken some panko breadcrumbs. So you may even use the breadcrumbs which you make at home using bread. But panko breadcrumbs is also much better if you have it. And if you don't have breadcrumbs and breads, I'm giving another option also. So please continue watching the video. And you need to take the cauliflower each, and you can put it in bulk also. There's nothing wrong in it. And you need to coat it with the maida mixture, maida corn flour liquid. So you need to coat it really well, and after that you need to drop the excess liquid. Otherwise the breadcrumbs is going to be liquidy, and you will not be able to coat it. So make sure your hands are clean while doing this, and coat it with the breadcrumbs. So I'm doing this for the half of the cauliflower, half I'm using rusk, and I'm doing it, as I said, an alternative for bread. And just coat it with the panko breadcrumbs and keep it aside. This is a very simple snack to make, and it is equally delicious. So make sure you all try this recipe. And to those who do not have breads or breadcrumbs, yeah, here I'm giving an alternative. You can use rusk. So yeah, here I'm using 5 to 6 rusk. So just powder it, and you need to repeat the same process what we did in our using our breadcrumbs. So there's nothing different in it. As usual, dip your cauliflower in the corn flour maida mixture and just add it to the rusk, and make sure you coat it really well, but do not coat it extra like with too much of rusk. Make sure that all the pieces are separate, not closely. It should not be like all together, it should all be separate. So that much rusk should be added. So here I've separated both and kept, one is rusk and one is the breadcrumbs. And you need to fry it in oil. The oil should be really hot, and you need to fry it in around medium flame. So fry it till it becomes crispy. As we've already boiled the cauliflower, it will not take that much of time. So make sure you fry it till golden color and crisp. So if you have a strainer like this, it's much easy. And you need to transfer it to a tissue paper, or you can keep it as such like this as we're using a strainer. But I am using a tissue paper so that the oil gets absorbed. And here I've taken 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. So this is the masala which we are going to coat the popcorns, the cauliflower popcorns. And you need to add all the cauliflower popcorns. Here I've fried everything. So this step really gives a really good taste. So make sure you do not skip it. And just close it with a lid. And you need to do this. Just shake it nicely so that all the masalas get coated. And our cauliflower popcorn is ready. Serve it hot with tomato ketchup or any dip of your choice. It's super crispy and super delicious. Do try this recipe out. Thanks for watching. Bye.